everyone, welcome to another video by the Happily Exhausted Mama. Today I am going to be doing a product review of feeding bottles, and this is the Philips Avent natural feeding bottles. I mentioned this in the essentials for the baby video. You can find the link up there, and I am going to be talking about why I chose the Philips Avent bottles, what I think of it, and this is entirely my experience. This is not a sponsored video. Now I started off with the 125 ml Philips bottles. This retails at 395 rupees, and now I have moved on to the 260 ml bottle. Now I got a pack of 2. This is for 895 rupees. Now first off, you would know that these are expensive bottles. These are definitely more expensive than a lot of other bottles found in the market, and mostly you will see that there isn't any discount on these bottles either on Amazon or any of the other sites, mostly because there isn't any discount on these products. Even at the store, I have always bought these bottles from the store. I just bought a couple of nipples of these bottles of Amazon. I'm going to put the links down below, and the Philips Avent bottles are the only bottles that my baby of 7 months uses. I did try a couple of other brands to just see whether I could find a cheaper alternative, and unfortunately I didn't. These are the bottles that I'm definitely sticking to, and I would recommend everyone to use. Now first off, this is 100% BPA free, so it's got 0% BPA in them. The quality of these bottles are really good, and I can vouch for them because I have been sterilizing these bottles in hot water every single day that I have owned them, and it has also happened that I've put all the bottles in, turned the gas on, and completely forgotten about them. I've come back to the water having evaporated, and not fully but like half the water evaporated, and the bottles were fine. I thought I would come back to melted bottles, to at least like bent plastic or something, and nothing happened to them. So they are highly heat resistant. I cannot say the same for any other bottle I would have forgotten like that. I'm sure something or the other would have happened. The only thing that I would say is that these bottles, when you're sterilizing them, make sure they're immersed completely in water. It's not touching the surface of the vessel too much, otherwise you will develop scratches, which has happened to me a number of times. You will develop scratches, so you have to be a little careful of that. Other than that, I think you can manhandle these bottles as much as you can. They have fallen from my hand, my baby has thrown them accidentally, sometimes playfully, and these bottles have been absolutely fine. Now what makes these bottles special is the shape of the mouth of the bottle. So it mimics the shape of the breast. The 100% silicone nipples also mimic the feel of the breast. They are very soft, they do not collapse, and that has happened to the other brands that I used. So they do not collapse. It's got petals on it, and it fits perfectly into the groove. I'll show you that. That is what makes it anti-colic. So when you're cleaning it, you push the nipple back and it's here, and when you are putting it back, you have to look for the groove. So there is a groove here, as you can see, and you find the groove on the bottle as well. So there is a number 2 written here. I put it on the groove and I push it in, and it's in place. See, it's completely in place. Now as you can see, when I put the nipple back in, I did not touch the mouth of the nipple. So when you sterilize the bottle, you don't want to touch the mouth of the nipple and get it dirty again. So the way you can fix it, it's very easy. So you're not touching it, it remains clean, and this then fits into the bottle and you can use it. The shape of the bottle is also pretty good. So it's wide mouth, so it's very easy to clean. It's very easy to hold. It won't slip from your hands. It won't even slip from the hands of the baby. My baby is 7 months old now. He tries holding on to this bottle and he succeeds pretty well because it's pretty wide. It's easy for a baby to hold with both their hands. So it's overall a very handy product. Now it has also got only 4 parts, as I showed you. The bottle, 2 parts here, and the cap. These caps have perforations on it, and it clicks on, so it remains in place. The only con of this product that I have is for the 125 ml bottles, the cap does not fit into place, like does not stay in place after you sterilize them a number of times, and becomes a little loose. That is the only con I have of these products. Other than that, I'm completely happy. As you can see, all the markings are very clear. These bottles I used for 4 months straight. I've discarded them now, and you can still see the markings are so clear. You know, the name of the brand, each and every marking is completely in place. These are newer bottles, these markings are obviously still in place. They're very clear. It's got the ml, so you can see how much milliliters of milk your baby is drinking, as well as ounces. So it has got both the UK ounce and the US ounce on it. So you have all these markings depending on what measurement you're using, you're comfortable using. So all of that is there. Now it's very as I said, easy to clean, easy to make milk, markings are clear. The shape of the bottle is the best one to combine breastfeeding and bottle feeding, and that is what is the USP of this product. This is what the product claims. It's easy to combine with breastfeeding, and because I was breastfeeding at the beginning, and then I was also, you know, sometimes bottle feeding him, this was a product I went to because you know, I knew that there would be no nipple confusion when I'm using this bottle as well as breastfeeding. So my baby did not face any nipple confusion. He transitioned seamlessly from breastfeeding to bottle feeding. Is there anything else that's special about this bottle? Not that I can think of right now, but I think that this bottle serves a great purpose. Yes, it is expensive, but the quality is you know, something that you can be completely assured of. I think if there's one thing that you should spend your money on when it comes to babies and the baby products that you use, is definitely feeding bottle, because babies use feeding bottles every single day. You're sterilizing it so much, you're putting it in hot water, you're putting it into a sterilizing machine. So therefore it needs to be of good quality. Your baby is feeding from it, and you would want to give your baby something that you know, is safe for them. So therefore, if you are planning to invest on something, I would rather say, more than expensive toys and anything, go for you know, a feeding bottle that you can be at peace with. So I highly recommend the Philips Avent bottles. I have seen everyone who've used them be very happy with them. So you can go ahead, purchase this bottle, and you can thank me later. You can connect with me on Instagram. I am there as the Happily Exhausted Mama. If you have liked this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment, tell me which feeding bottle you use. Did you find something which is better than the Philips Avent bottles? I would love to know that, and I will see you soon. Bye.